Hello everyone, my name is Peter. I'm from thesupportzone.com, and the goal of thesupportzone.com is to offer bookkeeping services to small business owners at affordable prices. Okay, and with the help of today's video, we are going to see how we can verify and rebuild the company file. When we say verify and rebuild the company file, it means we are going to check the status of our company file. What exact status do we have of our data into the QuickBooks? Okay, so let me quickly go ahead and open the QuickBooks Pro Plus. In this case, let's say you are using QuickBooks Premier, QuickBooks Enterprise, you will going to have the same option over there as well. So let me go ahead and open the test company file here, which I created back in like the last video or a couple of videos ago. This is what I created, like a company file, for like a sample company file if I say. So this company file is about to be open now. Let's wait for this one here. All right, here we have it. Let's click on this and it's gonna show you some notifications. In my case, I recently installed QuickBooks, so that's why we are getting a lot of notifications here. It generally does not show these kind of notifications on the QuickBooks. All right, so in order to verify and rebuild the company file, we need to go to the file menu, then go to utilities, and then go to verify data. As you can see, verify data, when we click on it, it says we need to click on OK. It will going to verify all the data integrity. Let's say you have some problem into your database, into your data, if I say, into your company file, it will going to check each and everything, and if it found some problem, it will gonna show you the notification on the computer screen itself, and it may take some time depending on your QuickBooks company file size as well. In my case, if you can see, it says QuickBooks detected no problems with your data. My data file status, or if I say my data file health, is healthy at the moment, it is good, so I'm going to click on OK. In your case, if you found any problem with your company file, you can simply go back here, go to file menu, utilities, and then go to rebuild, and it will going to ask you to create a backup. I'm going to create a backup here onto my computer itself. It will take some time to create a backup, as I said, depending on your data file size, and then it will going to rebuild the database. It means rebuilding the data file. Rebuilding the data file does not mean it will going to create a complete new data file for you. No, everything will be there, but it will going to ensure that it found some issues in the past with the verification of your company file. It will going to resolve it, and it will also going to show you the results, what kind of issues did it resolve, and all that kind of things. If you see, in my case, it found 0 issues. There is no problems with the company file. Verify and rebuild generally works, and generally users use it when file size is big, and it is going like when the file size is big and user is holding a lot of years of data. It generally, in my cases, if I say it is my personal experience, what I have seen while working with my clients, whenever user is holding a lot of years of data, the size of the company file increases, and when the size of the company file increases, the data problem starts to appear. Not in all the cases, but like let's say if 10 people are using QuickBooks and 5 out of them are facing problem with the data, only 2 to 3 people are having some kind of a problem related to data, just because they are using the QuickBooks from a long time and the size of the data file is big. That's why we need to use this tool. Okay, and this is how this was all about the process of QuickBooks verify and rebuild the data. In case you still have the data file issues, let's say your QuickBooks company file still having some problems with the within the data file here, if I say, okay, so what you can also do, let me show you. I will going to go ahead and close QuickBooks here. In the like a couple of videos ago, I showed you a complete process how you can download QuickBooks Tool Hub. It is a tool developed by Intuit Incorporated to resolve all kind of problems related to your QuickBooks. Either it belongs to your company file, network, or something like that. In my case, or for this video purpose, let's say you have some problems and you ran verify and you ran a rebuild tool that did not work. You can come to QuickBooks Tool Hub and run quick fix my file as well, and then try to open QuickBooks. If it does not work, then you can also run QuickBooks File Doc. QuickBooks File Doctor mostly focused on to rebuild and to fix all the problem, but please remember this thing: whenever you run QuickBooks File Doctor, try to do verify and rebuild of your company file prior to it, okay? As it also mentioned here, like if you see, you can open your file, it recommended to first make a backup of your data file, then run a verify and rebuild prior to using the file doctor. That is an important thing here, okay? And in order to download QuickBooks Tool Hub, the link of the video is also mentioned below. So that was all for this video. In the next video, I will going to show you some other thing about QuickBooks, and I'm also planning to launch something, some kind of videos related to Quicken. I have Quicken users as well who use Quicken for their personal usage to track their personal finances as well, something like that, okay? So in this video, like if you're also looking for some kind of a bookkeeping help related to your QuickBooks or a Quicken software, you can contact me. This is my website. You can go to my website and you can leave me an inquiry over there. I will contact you. This is my phone number. You can also contact me on this phone number. In case I'm unable to answer, you can drop me a voicemail. I generally answer quickly. And this is my email. In case I missed your call somehow, it generally happens when I'm talking to one client, another client is calling. I prefer to like get in touch after finishing with the current client. So you can also contact me on the email. You can drop me an email and I will gonna respond to it as soon as I receive it. I will see you in the next video with something more features about QuickBooks and all. Until then, have a good one. Bye bye.